The question that I get asked is, how do you make thousands of dollars from home by working just a few hours a day with your online business? Let me show you how. I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I've been using to build this $10,000, $15,000 a month business. It's called affiliate marketing, and according to ZipRecruiter, this is the average salary people are making. Now, is this something that you're going to make right off the bat? Probably not. But the proven step-by-step process I'm about to show you could change your life completely in a year's time. So think about this. All your favorite brands, Nike, Sephora, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Bass Pro Shop, they all have affiliate programs. So as you can see, if you go to Google and you type in your favorite company affiliate program, Bass Pro Shops, they have one. Bass Pro Shops affiliate, Target, even Amazon, and Best Buy. And joining these programs are free. After you join their program, they're going to give you a customized, specialized link that is tagged to you. So when anybody clicks on your link and heads over to the company's website and they make a purchase, you make a commission. So this is my $10,000 to $15,000 a month strategy, and here's how it works. So the first thing I'm doing is using this social media platforms to send people to my website or my opt-in page. The goal here is to collect emails. Once they go through the opt-in page, they're going to head over to the bridge page where I will give them a message and prepare them for what they're going to see on the next page. This page is very important because this is where we put our affiliate link. And that affiliate link will send people over to the company that I'm promoting for, which is the sales page. Once they're in the sales page or the website that the company you're promoting for, if they purchase something, that's when they pay you a commission. Throughout this process, we're also going to use emails, automated emails, to send to remind people about the sales page, and it'll send them back there and give them more opportunities to buy that product. For an online business, that's pretty simple. The best part of this business model is I don't have to worry about shipping out products. I don't have to worry about inventory, any type of products. I don't have to worry about dealing with customers, getting on the phone, any type of returns. You're simply using an automated system to promote already established businesses that have products that people are already buying. If you'd like to get started with this type of business model, be sure to follow the page, head over to my profile, click that website there, and that'll help you get started exactly the way I learned.